Option 1 or option adventure? Option adventure. Wow, look at all the pollen. Oh wow, what's that? Well, that might be a beekeeper's thing. Maybe I don't really want to get too close in case. But I kind of also want to get close. Check this first. Oh, those are those, I think they're pussy willows. I think. They're from a tree anyway, but wow, look at them all. Looks like snow. The heck is that? What the heck is that? Like a random fence here as well. Please don't be for bees. I don't want to get stung. I don't think it is, no. Interesting. I'm in Capri's. Oh, caught in a trap. Ooh, what feather is this? Ooh. Ooh. Just clear it. Ooh. That's a little bit of blue. I want to say Maggie. Oh, you know what it might be? I think that might be Jay. And put it in my ear so I don't lose it. I think I've come from there before, so I'm gonna go this way.